I just came across a classical Urdu share, so I wanted to share it with you. Here it goes. मुझ तक कब उनकी बज़्म में आता था दौर जाम, मुझ तक कब उनकी बज़्म में आता था दौर जाम, साकी ने कुछ मिला न दिया हो शराब में. In the classical culture of Urdu Mehfil, wine circulates from guest to guest. The lover is usually the least important person in the gathering, so the cup rarely reaches him. In this context, the poet says, when did the cup ever reach me in that gathering? Unless the cupbearer had mixed something unusual into the wine. The phrase kuch mila na diya ho suggests that the wine had been tempered with perhaps something too strong, suspicious, or even dangerous. Because of that, others hesitate to drink it, so the cup finally reaches the lover, the one who has nothing to lose. The irony is pure, powerful. Only when the wine becomes risky does it come to him. In the emotional world of the ghazal, this reflects the lover's position. He is the one destined to drink the most dangerous intoxication, love itself.